we are looking at how to pronounce this word from a region of China. We're going to be looking at how it is said most commonly in English, how most English speakers pronounce it, and then how it is said in the native language. Let's start with English, okay, because the spelling is a bit difficult to interpret. In English it's said as Uyghur, we-gur, okay? Now in British English, Uyghur, it's how it's generally pronounced, Uyghur or Uyghur in American English. Now in the local language, I've sort of written it down as close as you could write it down in phonetics or sort of phonetics, how you can pronounce it. Uyghur, Uyghur is how it is said locally, okay? Uyghur, okay? So you have a bit of an oo sound. It's more of an oo sound. We, a long e sound. Uyghur. Now I've written a J there because it's quite close to the Spanish J, as in Jorge or Juan, for example. The H sound, very guttural sound. And then ur sound. Uyghur. Uyghur is how it is said locally, or as close as I can pronounce it myself. Uyghur is how you say it. So two different ways of pronouncing it. Uyghur, if you speak English, and most people will understand what you're talking about if you pronounce it that way, or with the native language. Uyghur, Uyghur is the name of the people and the language and the culture over there. And now you know. I hope this video was useful. Let me know if you got the difference and you can pronounce it in the comments. I appreciate the support, and more videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching.